The Department of National Defense (DND) has announced that a pre-bid conference for its two long-range patrol aircraft (LRPA) projects has been set for Wednesday. The pre-bid conference, to be held by the DND Bids and Awards Committee at the conference room, basement right wing at the DND building in Camp Aguinaldo, Quezon City, was initially slated to be held last February 15 but was placed on hold due to the May 9 national elections. Airbus Defence and Space Press Manager for Military Aircraft Kieran Daly previously confirmed in an email to Update PH that they will be offering the C-295 for this project. The said aircraft has a variant equipped to effectively act as maritime patrol aircraft (MPA). The Philippine Air Force is currently operating 3 C-295 aircraft M variant as medium-lift aircraft. The funds for the project, placed at 5 Philippine pesos, 976 million, will be sourced from the Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Trust Act Fund. Aside from the airframes, the contract includes sensors, sensor integration, mission support facilities and integrated logistics support package for the Air Force. In a supplemental bid bulletin posted at the DND website, prospective bidders were told to submit aircraft designs with systems that allows autonomous operation. The aircraft must be equipped with a system that allows autonomous operation in remote bases, ensuring electrical, pneumatic and hydraulic power on ground. The system must also be able to start the engines without ground support, the bulletin said. This means that the LRPA must be deployable in remote airfields lacking modern startup facilities. Aside from this, the airplanes must be equipped with a noise reduction system, which is capable of reducing both cabin vibration and noise and eliminate many of the buzzes and rattles that would otherwise be a major source of annoyance and distraction for surveillance and patrol mission crew.